Hey you guys! Welcome to 10425 South Highway 68 here in St. James, Missouri. Let me show you around. As soon as you step inside, you are greeted by tall, vaulted ceilings and tons of natural light. This really opens up the whole main level. Follow me to the dining area and the kitchen. Notice the nice, vibrant wood flooring. Now this house is perfect for hosting, and let me show you why, starting with the kitchen. Tons of counter space, cabinet space, and lots of really fun features that makes this kitchen all the more functional. Now follow me to the bedrooms. The main level has 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Just like the living space in the kitchen, it has tons of natural light, really opening up the space up here. Follow me to the primary. You have vaulted ceilings in here, a nice spacious walk-in closet, and the primary bathroom has a dual vanity, convenient walk-in shower, and a jetted soaking tub, perfect for relaxing after a long day. Now, not only does this house have tons of space inside, but it also has tons of space outside. So we are equipped with a 2-car attached garage, 2 storage sheds, and 2 outbuildings, all equipped with electric. So perfect for all your outdoor activities and whatever extra activities you'd like to have. Now follow me to my favorite part of the house, which is the basement. You'll really see why this house is perfect for entertaining guests. This is a fully finished walkout basement leading out to the backyard. Now notice this whole other living space. You can turn this into a cozy family room, a game room, a media room. The possibilities are really endless with this basement. Along with all of this, you have a bedroom and a full bathroom. And once you see the rest of this basement, you can see why you can turn this into a whole other living quarters. Now follow me to my favorite part. Who needs to go out when you have the pool hall right here at home? Guys, this place is a whole vibe. With the mood lighting, the pool table, this is the perfect hangout spot for your guests, friends, and family. And you have a full functioning bar. Guys, this house is so much fun and full of endless opportunities. Call to see this beauty in person today.